A return to snow in the south is still a possibility next week, as well as a nor'easter-style winter storm. A big return to cold air in the states is expected. The west is currently dealing with heavy precipitation and winds, especially Los Angeles, where we could see some flash flooding. And we still have a very concerning outlook for severe weather in the southeast on Saturday. Alright, we have a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. All of our models do see snow returning to the south. That does include the American model, the Euro, the Canadian, and the Icon. Right now, this does look to be a Tuesday through Thursday event for next week. I don't expect the snow to get as far south as it shows here on the Icon. We need a couple more days to get into forecasting range. I'm still worried that this trough may de-amplify a little bit, moving that snow line to the north. But there is a chance here for you guys in the south, so I'll keep you updated. This same system that wants to sweep through the south may make its way up the coast. All of our globals do see this winter storm moving up through the mid-Atlantic and potentially coastal New England. And this would likely be a Thursday and Friday event. Another signal that we are watching because there is some consensus on this. Our latest temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center brings below average temperatures almost from coast to coast, with the most below average air possibly reaching from the Ohio Valley down to the south central region. And this will have the chance to break some temperature records. That was through the 23rd of February. Look what happens as we move out another 5 days. Our cold air does want to stick around out east. This is why, again, we're going to have an increased chance to see some more snowstorms out here. But a very large ridge of high pressure and heat is expected to start building back up over the west. Speaking of the west, we have a lot of precipitation falling currently, with a general thunderstorm warning almost across the entire state of California. Across the Los Angeles region, we are also seeing severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings. And it's not impossible for one of these storms to put a tornado down in this area. This is moving quickly, but if you're here, you need to stay weather alert. I'm the most concerned with mudslides and flash flooding, like I said. These are the latest expected snow totals from our Saturday system, the same system that is expected to bring very severe weather down to the southeast. 3 to 6 inches does look possible through areas of northern Ohio, northern Indiana, northeastern Illinois, Wisconsin, and Michigan. And obviously, upstate New York and New England could do even better. Areas of inland New England do have the potential to see almost a foot of snow, if not more. And out near the coast, we could see a large area seeing 4 to 6 inches. Again, speaking of that severe weather on Saturday, this is the latest severe outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. This yellow and orange region is our slight and enhanced area, where we are the most concerned with strong tornadoes. We are going to have a very powerful squall line moving through, as you can see here. This could also be associated with some derechos. These are windstorms that can pack 70 to 100 plus mile per hour winds without even being associated with a tornado. So everyone down here in this region just needs to stay weather alert on Saturday. Make sure you have a way to get watches and warnings, and make sure you have a plan. As long as everyone is staying up to date and on top of this, you should be perfectly safe. I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every single day, and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.